Hi, Darius here with DFDM National. Today I'm going to walk you through installing one of our license plate frames on your vehicle. What I'm holding is our 2-hole polished standard style license plate frame, and you're going to need a lot of tools to put this on your car. Screwdriver, yeah, that's it. So installing this in your car is pretty straightforward. The license plate goes inside of the frame and the license plate goes against your vehicle. You put the screw through the washer, tighten everything down. Once that's done, you pop the caps on and you're done. There are some differences if you're going to be installing the shield. Really the only difference there is the shield would go against the frame, the plate would go behind the shield. Then everything screws in accurately. If you have an issue putting it on, you know it is stainless steel, you have to make sure it's nice and square when you push everything in. It should still go relatively easily. Sometimes we recommend using a little bit of WD-40 if you have a little bit of a binding issue, because this isn't tin, this isn't cheap metal, this is very strong stainless steel. But generally speaking, pops right on. If you do have any questions or concerns, you can always reach us 813-990-0777. You can send us an email, info, that's info at dfdmnational.com. It's the name of the company, dfdmnational.com. We're always here to help.